What's going on, Mint Options? Mint VIP Trader World, what's up? I was like slapping money on here because it's just cool. I slap the money. Anyways, man, how did today go? It went fantastic. It was one of those days where you're like, boom, 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 punching the market, pow, 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 slapping the market, pow, 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 pow. It was a good day, guys. Why? Because we traded Amazon. We love trading Amazon and Tesla. And today we kind of just chose Amazon today. And if you looked at Amazon, it jumped crazily today. Another $100 today on Amazon. That's crazy. It's like, whoa, 500 in a few days. That's nuts. Man, it's like one of those stocks that's just pumping and pumping. I don't know if I really don't think it's regular investors because it's a $2,400 stock. I'm pretty sure this got to be the Feds, and a lot of big institutional companies because Amazon's just still doing business no matter what, going through the whole motion of the coronavirus, and it's just seemed very impervious to the whole thing. While other stocks like BA have been crashing more than 50%, or airlines or any of the other ones, man, it's been going down. But Amazon. So we were trading all the strong stocks, and I've been telling the group, trade the strong stocks, the ones that have good premiums, the ones that have good spreads, and that's what we were doing. So made thousands of dollars today, guys. Thousands upon thousands upon thousands. One of the girls said, man, I made almost 10 G's today. 9 grand, 10 grand. Last few days ago, she made another 26. Boom. Killed it. And then there's a lot of other guys in the group making 5 G's, 10 G's, 3,000, few $100. Doesn't matter what it is. Profit is profit. You got to take the profits, guys. So, but did you guys see that drop early midday on Amazon? It was like whoo, then boom, it just crashed like $120 like that in like 10 minutes or something. And that was because the SBA was saying that they ran out of money for businesses and stuff. So that's kind of sucky. But the crazy thing is, if you hear about all the news was basically bad, right? Right. Let's think about it. All the millions of jobs lost. The bank ERs were bad. Just companies and people out of business, out of work. Many people are not getting their stimulus checks. There's still a lot of bad news out there, like everywhere, and even COVID-19. There's still a lot of deaths going on. But then again, there was good news after hours today. Gilead Sciences, or Guild, and Traderland we say Guild. All the traders say Guild. It went up about $12, $13. Why? Because they are saying that their medicine called remdesivir is doing well in treating COVID-19. So that's pretty good, guys. I know that right now we're all thinking about like, oh man, why did the stock market drop? Blah 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 blah. And everybody's at lockdown and blah blah blah. But in reality, it's big pharma, guys. Big pharma, big money. It's all about money. That's just how it is. In the stock market, it's all about money. If you have money, or if you need money, and if you're a big time player in the market, they will manipulate it the way they want to. But other than that, other than things that we already know, we got to trade the market and trade what we see. Another thing that popped after hours was BA, man. We almost that close to like cutting our BA calls. We were going to cut it, but just because it was so weak, it was just so weak. But at the same time, I was telling the group too, I was like, hey, you know what? We had a falling wedge the other day and it popped, boom, up to 149, and then we cashed out. It looks like a falling wedge again, and then boom, it can pop again, and we have a 144 gap fill. So we're thinking about it. We're thinking about closing it at the end of the day, but one of the guys, Brian, what's up? Shout out to Brian. He was like, man, the last time, man, we could have made 20 G's. And I'm like, you know what? You're right. You're right. Let's hold it. So we held it. And guess what? Boom, now it's popping. And we're going to be dancing tomorrow. Dancing, cashing out. Dancing in the moonlight. Anyways, So good teamwork, guys. There was another guy in there named John. What's up, John? Shout out to you too, bro. Because in the group we talk about having strong abs. Strong abs meaning, man, let's not sell out of it. Let's hold it and let's see what happens. And we held it. Strong abs. Boom, it's popping. Tomorrow it could open at 160, guys. BA is one of those stocks that can jump 30, 40, $60 in a week, in a few days. So let's see some push on that. I hope the feds come in and just buy that bad boy back up. SPY, I see it going as high as 289 after market. So there's a lot of high frequency traders going on and Fed's pushing it. So it's going to fluctuate. But we could open at 290 tomorrow. I was telling the group and you guys out there who are listening, we could be at 290 and 300 really soon. And there's still a lot of people out there going, hey, man, all the ones that are getting interviewed on Bloomberg or on CNBC, and they're like, man, are we gonna retest the lows? And in reality, when it's a normal market, you do retest the lows. But man, we dropped like 35%, boom, jump back like 28, 20, like 20, 30% now. I mean, we're basically back. We're almost at 300, guys. And so everybody's like, oh, we're still bearish, we're still bearish. Like, what? We haven't been bearish since SPY broke 270. So we are bullish. So for those people who were buying on the bottom and nibbling on the bottom, and I said that, how many videos ago? They're making money on the regular shares, regular stocks, which is okay to buy because they're long term anyway. And if you're a trader and if you have an account, having regular shares actually helps your account, because if you're trading on margin, which a lot of people do, it helps that margin out. When you have regular shares and you have options, when you have your regular shares, it strengthens your buying power. Okay, guys, but it's also good if you're continuing to make money and bring in more profits into your account. Luckily, all of my guys in our group are doing that because we are banking, making that money. So I mean, gosh, Amazon, man, it was crazy. Amazon just jumped a few $100s every day. That's nuts. That's a crazy, crazy, crazy stock, crazy market. Right now, after hours, it's at under 2,400, but tomorrow it could retest the highs again and go to 2,500, and ER is coming up. So it's gonna be crazy, guys. So, anyways, good things are happening in the group, even though a lot of bad things are going on in the world with the jobs and the unemployment and no checks. People are not getting their PPP money or whatever. I mean, there's still a lot of bad news out there, guys. There's a lot of bad news out there. We're still in lockdown, but why is the market going up? It's a four-letter word, guys. Starts with an F. It's not the one that you're thinking about, but it's FEDS. Guess what? The Feds always pumping the market no matter what. So don't fight the Feds, man. They got so much of this. They control it all, guys. They control it all. They are telling everybody, we control the market. We print the money. We will make this market survive. Why? Because they do not want the real estate to crash. If that crashes, it's going to be another 2008 and 9 repeat, but a bigger one. It'll be a bigger crash than 2008 and 9. So they want to prevent that. So they are pumping money back into everybody's 401k, saying, hey guys, don't worry about it. We're going to buoy this back up. We're good. Everybody's working on a vaccine. Everybody's working on a cure. We're okay. Trump is about to open up the market, and we're about to skyrocket back to all-time highs. So I know it's crazy, guys, and it doesn't make sense. I know it doesn't make sense at all. Like, seriously, the bank earnings that were bad should have crashed the market. But nope, it's not crashing the market. Nothing is crashing this market because of the four-letter word, guys. The Feds. Feds got money. They just making it rain. They just rain all day. Woo! Showering with money. Yeah. Even though the rest of the people, the rest of the world, the regular people, regular American citizens, where's the money? Where's the stimulus checks? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Give it up. And then you're running out of SBA. Come on, guys. I mean, I get it. I get it that like the stock market is important. But man, I mean, I love it as a trader, but when I'm looking back, stepping back at everybody else in the entire USA, please, please, please put the money in their hands, in their pockets, help everybody else out, and at the same time, open up the economy if it's time, let everybody get back to their jobs. But in Mint VIP, guess what we do? Spank the market. That's what we do. You fight, man. You fight to make your money. That's what you got to do. And guess what? When you fight to make your money, you will make it and succeed. Follow the trend. Don't fight the feds. Anyways, Mint VIP, guys. Join. Woohoo!